Hi, this is a quick demonstration on how to make a beat in Gstomper, which is an Android-based music production app for tablets and phones. So the first thing we'd like to do is go on to the main menu, which is on top, and go to load, and select a factory sound set. I'd like to choose the TR-909. If you'd like to alter the tempo, go to the left-hand bottom tab which says timing and measure. Here you can see you can change the tempo, so I'm going to bring it down to 120, and go back to the left-hand top tab which says drum machine to access my drum module again. I'll put the kicks, a straight 4x4 kick, and on the T03 there's a snare, so I'm going to put it on the cell number 5 and 13. And T08 has the hi-hats. I'm going to put them on 3, 7, 11 and 15. And I can add in a further couple of more hats in between. This is pretty straight, so if I need to shuffle them, I can go on to the right side. Under the common there's a slider which says shuff. Just increase the shuffle a bit, so it starts swinging the hats. Now if you'd like to alter the velocity of each individual hi-hat, all you have to do is look above the cell number 14 of your drum sequencer which says well. Click on that and you'll get all these sliders, so you can then alter the velocities. You can make them softer or louder. That's it. That's how you set up a quick beat. Sorry, I'm using the phone recorder software, so the quality of the audio may not be very good, but this is not the output of Gstomper. This is the speaker output, so please bear with that. Thank you.